Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to explore the world of heavy equipment, the powerful machines that help build roads, buildings, and big construction projects. These machines make hard work faster, easier, and more efficient. Let's dive in and learn about each one in detail.
Motor grader.
The motor grader is used to create a perfectly smooth and level surface. It has a long adjustable blade located in the middle of the machine. This tool is especially important in road construction for fine grading work.
Bulldozer.
Here we have the bulldozer, a strong and powerful machine. It features a large metal blade at the front, which is used to push heavy materials like soil, rocks, and debris. Bulldozers are commonly used to clear land, level surfaces, and prepare areas before construction begins.
Dump truck.
Next is the dump truck. This vehicle is used to transport loose materials such as sand, gravel, soil, or construction waste. What makes it special is its hydraulic system that lifts the back container, allowing the materials to slide out easily.
Skid steer loader.
Finally, we have the skid steer loader. This is a small but very powerful and flexible machine. It can turn in place, making it perfect for tight spaces. It can also use different attachments, such as buckets, drills, or sweepers, making it extremely versatile.
Wheel loader.
The wheel loader is designed to scoop, lift, and move materials. It has a large front bucket that can pick up sand, gravel, or dirt and load it into trucks. This machine is fast and efficient, especially when moving large amounts of material over short distances.
Water tank truck.
The water tank truck carries and sprays water on construction sites. It helps control dust, clean roads, and sometimes supports soil compaction. This is especially useful in dry and dusty environments.
Excavator.
First, we have the excavator. This is one of the most important machines on any construction site. It is mainly used for digging holes, trenches, and foundations. It has a long hydraulic arm with a bucket at the end that can scoop and move large amounts of soil.
Concrete mixer truck.
This is the concrete mixer truck. Its main job is to mix and transport concrete. The rotating drum keeps the concrete from hardening during the journey. This ensures that the concrete arrives at the construction site ready to use.
Asphalt paver.
The asphalt paver is responsible for laying asphalt on roads. It spreads hot asphalt evenly across the surface before it is compacted by a road roller. This machine helps create smooth and high-quality roads.
Forklift.
A forklift is commonly used in warehouses, factories, and storage areas. It is designed to lift and move heavy items using two metal forks at the front. Forklifts make loading, unloading, and organizing goods much easier and faster.
Backhoe loader.
The backhoe loader is a versatile machine that combines two tools in one. At the front, it has a loader bucket for lifting and carrying materials. At the back, it has a digging arm similar to an excavator. Because of this dual function, it is widely used for small to medium construction projects.
Road roller.
The road roller is used to compact surfaces like soil, gravel, and asphalt. It has a large, heavy drum that presses down on the surface, making it firm and smooth. This process is very important in road construction to ensure durability.
Crane.
The crane is used for lifting and moving heavy objects vertically and horizontally. It is commonly seen in the construction of tall buildings, bridges, and ports. Cranes can lift extremely heavy loads that humans cannot handle, making them essential for large-scale projects. So those are some of the most common types of heavy equipment and their functions. Each machine has a unique role, and together they help build the world around us. Which one do you find the most interesting? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more amazing content.